you! And I know it's you because it's not me. Because I am me, and you are you. And we're different. In your diary, I'm holding all the stories. Dear God, you have a lot of stories. It's all so damn sad. Oh, no wonder I feel this way all the time. You only come to me when you have something horrible that you can't hold all by yourself. It's something painful and weird and full of spikes, and when you've had enough of it, you just close me and walk away. What have they said about love being blind? I think maybe her scales are snake scales, that circuitous, sneak-thieving bitch. Don't you mean your mind? I've never had one of my own. I've just been a proxy. I'm an appendage. I'm a prop. You take, but you take by giving. And you don't give by taking any of it back. Or by taking responsibility. Or even by writing down the things that were beautiful or soft or sweet. Those you keep in your head and you siphon off all the shit and the loss. Seething resentments until I'm drowning in you. What if I wasn't just you? What if I am? On my own? What if I could watch a sunrise and think not about the people who will never be able to watch it with me, but about how pretty it is? Maybe I can. No! Don't you get it? It's always together. I've been a conjoined twin my whole fucking life, only I didn't know it. None of my experiences were mine because they weren't even ours. They were yours. They can't be ours if I'm not even there. Just go. Just leave. You're always there, don't you see? Always and never. Always for you and never for me. I would die if you stayed away. But if you don't go away right now, I'll combust. Whoosh!
With a look back at her to make sure she doesn't combust, you take your leave.
You again? I wanted to ask if you'd help me in a little thought experiment. I've been doing some thinking, and I want your opinion. You know how there have been children playing across the street with their parents? I've been wondering, do you think I'd be good with kids? I am aware of what I said, but watching the kids play outside was eye-opening for me. Seeing them have fun gave me sort of a rush. They were having such a great time, I couldn't help but wonder what it would be like to have one around all the time. So, me as a parent to a baby pain, what do you think? See, I'd like to think I could too. I appreciate you answering the question. I asked Rod and he just avoided the question with jokes. Either way, I don't think it's gonna happen. You've given me something to think about though. That's the goal of thought experiments, isn't it? I'm gonna clean my smudges and consider what you said. I'll see you around.
You are persistent, aren't you? That's a rather attractive quality. Okay, I'll bite. I have no orders up. What can I interest you in? Make a killer soda bread.
Stefan raises a suspicious brow at you.
You aren't turning my knobs, are you? Every day I'm here making orders for these lazy bones around here. Rarely does one stop to ask, how am I doing? Besides you, Mr. Clippers. It isn't my job to be quiet. It's my job to make good food. It's not my fault the others don't listen. You haven't cooked in ages. I've had to pick up all the slack. Okay. I guess life can be pretty demanding. I'm sorry for boiling over like that. Cooking is transcendent. Imagine, if you will, a meal cooked by someone you care about. There's a small little something for you to snack on, the smells of the main course wafting through the kitchen. Your mouth salivating in anticipation. This moment, this food foreplay, is magical. Finally, the plate is in front of you. You take your first bite and your mind races. You take in the flavors, the spices, everything. You're feeding every part of you, even just for a short period of time. And then, it's gone. The plate is finished, the bowl is empty, and the only thing left is your appreciation of the meal. But even that is now a nostalgic memory at best. At least until you have that meal again. The very best kind. Tell me, does your nose not wish to be carried away by the delicious smell of food? Does my food not delight? Then why don't we cook something together at long last? There we go! That's the spirit! I knew I saw the fire in you. Whenever you're ready to throw down, just let me know.
Everything has come up Lucinda this time, as she stands there expectantly.
Oh, it's getting hard to go on. I feel pushed in so many different directions. Tell me, what should we do together? Lucinda loving? Where did you come up with that? I love. I guess I'm Lucinda loving? It doesn't make any sense, though. Loving isn't being lost or feeling bad about yourself or having an existential crisis. How am I loving? Really? I mean, not having an identity at all made me want to work doubly hard to be worth it. It is sort of a duty, like you say, but one that I always hoped that you would enjoy. Thank you. I guess I didn't know about my own strength. I'll be honest, I didn't like any of those other Lucindas. Yeah, they were all right. Had a little too much male gaze, if I'm being real with you. Well, here comes the relationship then. I, Lucinda Loving, hereby declare I love you. Very, very much. Oh boy, getting sappy over here. Love you. So, I need to go off and figure some things out. I won't be interrupting you anymore, but when the time is right, I'll be by your side.
Cool kid, welcome back. You feeling hungry? Let me see what I've got. Freezer burn. What is that smell? Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know what's going on. The ice tray is clean, water lines are clear. Wait, I know what it is. This is kind of embarrassing, but I think I'm holding something rotten. To be honest with you, I'm kind of embarrassed. I can't believe I let something go bad on my watch. It's not cool at all. Really? Thank you so much. I think it's in the back and I can't reach. Let me think what it could be. Oh, check the pizza. That might be it. Oh, wow. I didn't know mold could grow like that. That pineapple chunk looks like it might hop up and bite us. Oh, but that cake is still good. Oh, I guess that's bad too. I'm sorry I couldn't keep it all fresh for you. But I do want to thank you for helping me out here. I don't know, cool kid. You're being really awesome about all this. I appreciate it. But I've got to get to cleaning. That slime back there is going to take some scrubbing. I'd rather do this by myself, if you don't mind. But again, super cool of you to offer.
For the first time since you've met him, Freddy looks angry. His voice is an intimidating roar.
Listen, shithead! You get the fuck out of my way! Let me do this!
He looks and sounds like the monster you might have thought him to be as a Yeti. It's disorienting, frankly. You've never seen Freddy be anything but friendly.
What, did I scare you into submission? Get yourself gone!
Freddy falls back against the wall, one hand clutching his chest as he struggles to catch his breath. He seems to be waging some sort of internal battle. He is a shadow of the monster he just was. Quiet and small and shaken.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Please, just go.
He is gone.